Well, it was all that I could do to keep from crying. Sometimes it seems so useless to remain, but you don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even called me by my name.
You don't have to call me Waylon Jennings, and you don't have to call me Charlie Pride,
and you don't have to call me Merle Haggard anymore, even though you're on my fighting side.
So I'll hang around as long as you will let me, and I never minded standing in the rain. No, but you don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even called me by my name. Well, you know, me and the Posse Meeting Cowboys, we've been playing this song for a long time out there on the road. It's a touching little Steve Goodman number about trains and trucks and mamas and prison and getting drunk. So anyway, me and the boys got together and we asked Mr. David Allen Coe and a few of our other heroes if they wouldn't mind singing with us on what has proven itself to be the perfect country western song.
I was drunk the day my mom got out of prison,
And I went to pick her up in the rain.